friends, today we are going to make some recycling sculptures. So for this craft you're only going to need tape. I have two different kinds for no particular reason, scissors if you need help cutting the tape, and anything you find interesting in your recycling bin. So I've got some paper towel rolls, I've got some cardboard, I've got some plastic stuff, and we're going to make a couple sculptures. So the first one I'm going to make is going to be a little bit more realistic. What's important with this is you're just going to use a lot of tape. So I was looking at this cool cookie box and I wanted to make it into a little pot of flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper towel rolls, which are going to be my stems, and I'm going to put it into my box. And I'm going to put this smaller one in the middle. Now this one's going to move around a little bit, so I'm going to get some of my tape. And I'm going to wrap it around the box to make sure that everything stays in place. I'm going to make it as tight as possible. Might have to go around more than once. That didn't exactly work, but it is a little bit tighter on the other two. So for this one, I'm take a little bit more tape, put it around the bottom, like this, and then I'm going to carefully put it in and tape it to the box. And add a little bit more even. So for this craft, everything is just gonna be taped all together, and then at the end you can either paint it or spray paint it, and it's gonna look really, really cohesive and awesome. Alright, so now everything's taped in there. Beautiful. I'm going to use some of this brown paper bag to shove into the top after a little bit of tape wrapped around. I'm going to shove it into the top of each of these. So it's kind of starting to look like a flower. And the best part is that if you paint it, it'll look even more like a flower. Shove this one in here. Kind of a similar technique to the tissue paper flowers that we made last week. So this is my cute little box, and now you can paint it. You can paint it all different colors, or you can paint it one color, or it's up to you. So for now, we're going to put this one away. Alright, now for our next one, we're going to go a little bit more abstract. So that means I'm just going to do whatever I feel that I want to make. So I'm going to tape some stuff together. It's not going to look like anything in particular, but it's going to look cool. So I'm going to take this as my base, put this on the top, because why not? I'll get some tape. Do this. And tape it around the bottom. So you gotta be super secure. And now, just depends on what we want to do next. So now, take some of the things, put that up there. I'm gonna add some tape to our weird little friend. So it looks kind of cool. I'm gonna take this on this side here. And with this project, not everything's going to go exactly how you planned it. This one's more about just having fun and trying out some stuff. Awesome. So this is looking super weird, and I love it. It's a little heavy on the one side, so I think I'm going to tape this to the bottom on the other side. One thing to be aware of if you are using paint is that acrylic is going to stick best to plastic, although not amazingly. So spray paint is probably your best bet, but try it out anyway, because you'll be able to paint these parts no problem. So this is my weird little sculpture. I think I'm going to add this somewhere up here. So I'm going to cut through the bottom, so be careful because plastic is very sharp. So ask someone for help if you need it. Cut through the bottom. And then, so I can tape that directly to there. So, I got a big long piece again. I'm gonna stick it through here. Trying not to stick it to the other piece of plastic, or your scissors, or your table. But it might happen. And then we're gonna wrap this around here. Ooh. Careful making your piece of tape way too long, because that's what I do, and then they get stuck to everything. And that's okay, but it is a little bit frustrating. So now wrap it around. We're just going with it, we're letting the tape do its thing. Awesome. So that feels pretty sturdy. So I've got my weird sculpture, and even something I could do is like bend this if I don't like it to be as tall. Make it more of a fun look. Ooh. Okay. So now I'm going to take these sculptures outside and we're going to spray paint them. Alright, so you're going to make sure that you get spray paint that sticks to plastic because of the recycling. And you're going to shake it up really good. And then you're just going to spray all over your sculptures. So you're going to wait, because you have to do the other side of your sculpture, so you're going to wait until it dries, probably about 10 minutes. And you don't want to bring it in your house for like a couple hours after you spray it because it's really stinky.